YouTube Shorts, in my opinion, it's the most powerful platform out of all of these short form. Why? Because you get the scrolling aspect of it, because there's no other platform that you can search for a topic and to show you a video based on the title. You start posting a few photos and videos on Instagram, and then you tell ChatGPT, inspect my account and tell me what can I do better to get a better reach.
So this is great.
It's like there's no reason to not just rip the benefits of it.
Yeah.
You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.
Facebook page as a business page,
Mm-hmm.
and then Google as they're mandatory because it's where your customers hang out. It's not what you consume as a person to just stay on and scroll all the way down on a daily basis, because that's we get hooked on that and you lose a lot of time. What do you do if you don't use social media? What do you do during the day? Do you have a job? Do you have
Yeah, I work. I do HHA, home health.
Gotcha. Okay,
Yeah.
so a lot of paperwork, a lot of.
No, I
Yep.
go to clients' house and like.
Oh,
I
you go in
like,
person?
with people, yeah, in person.
Got it. Okay.
Mhm.
So, walk me through so you're done with all of this, right?
Mhm.
You guys, my superpower is anything that has to do with marketing in the way that can generate revenue for your services, right? Because technically in here, you learn a set of skills during these, what was it, 3 days? 2 days?
3 days.
3?
Very good.
How was it?
It was good.
Good?
It was challenging at
And,
times.
and it should be,
yeah.
because if you want to be part, I'm talking about, as a general, you want to be part of the 1%, meaning live life on your own terms, have your own schedule, decide, do you want to work 7 days a week? Do you want to work 3 days a week? Do you want to, right? Have your own schedule. It shouldn't be easy, because if it would be easy, everybody would do it,
Mhm.
right?
And
And-
she has no patience at all, and she knows that.
Well,
Even-
good to meet you.
Yeah,
I'm
right.
in the same boat.
Even her mom, because yesterday we had the mom as a model, and the mom was like, Yvonne, you got this, you got this, you got this. No, mom, but this is hard.
Mhm.
Hard? So wait, so let's talk about that. Hard compared to what?
Easy, of course, but like it's hard.
Compared to what? Is hard compared to what? I mean,
like-
one of the things that you tried and it worked in the first second.
Nothing.
Exactly. You see what I mean?
Mhm.
Anything that has a potential to have a great outcome, meaning, you again doing this full time, part time as a side hustle,
Mhm.
and there's no right or wrong. The reason that my question to you is, you have a magic wand now. What do you want to happen in the next 6 to 12 months as it relates to this? Do you want to try to get customers maybe at home? Do you want to test it out? Do you want to wait until something else? Like what would you like to happen?
I
And
def-
there's no right or wrong. It's just what's right for you now.
I definitely want to get better to a point where I'm able to have like consistent clients by then in like 8 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think would stop you from doing that?
If I just gave up
Exactly.
and I didn't put in the work, like she said.
And going back to you not using so where, like, what do you talk to your friends? WhatsApp or like just text?
FaceTime, text.
FaceTime. So
Yeah.
that's new to me.
Mhm.
I just, if somebody, even my brother FaceTimes me, I'm like, I get pissed. He's like, no, text me. All right, so you want to try this. First step is you to become confident that you can start charging. For some students, this meant, what was it for you? 6 months-ish? 4 or 5 months? But Cosmina had, I don't know if she had a chance to tell you, she had the cleaning business.
Mhm.
So she had to, we rented a space. Again, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Some students, I remember 2-3 weeks ago, a student was esthetician service of the facials and whatnot out of her living room. And we were talking about, her changing a little bit the messaging to sound more like a luxurious type of experience.
Right.
And but on the other side, she had a rebuttal saying, "But I'm doing services out of my living room, so how can we find a middle ground for that?" And I said, "Look, you just have to be okay with some people saying no in terms of not saying no to the service, but not seeing it as a luxurious experience just because it's until they get the chance to try it, right? Once they try it, it's a whole different thing. But there's no right or wrong, because I was renting an office space next to my office here, just like a mile away. So it wasn't necessarily a salon. Inside was beautiful,
Right.
but then she had one or two clients that during the winter, and we're talking, I don't know, 6 years ago, whatever, 6 years ago, when they arrived there at 5 p.m., it was already dark. The place was a commercial area. They saw the building and like, God damn, that doesn't look like a salon. Boom, they bounced.
Wow.
You have to be okay with it if you find yourself in one of those scenarios, right?
Yeah.
And then I was talking to another student that said, "Marian, I'm debating between renting a salon that's about $1,000 that looks really nice in a nice area with great parking, and the place looked amazing and whatnot, but I'm afraid that I don't have the budget." And I said, "Well, the numbers are easy. How much money are you making right now a month?" Because she wasn't doing full time the facials and the lashes, and I think it was somewhere around $800. And I said, "Look, it's $800 in total because you're doing this part time and you just started a few weeks ago. You could push harder, make $1,000 a month, but then you have to pay all that in rent. I would say stay where you are for another 5-6 months. And the difference in money, let's put it in some marketing campaigns. Let's pay some Instagram ads, some Google ads, get some more people in. Now you're making $1,500 to $2,000 a month. Now you have enough money to pay rent. And then, of course, from there, you can attract a different kind of clientele once you move into a new place."
Yeah.
But it's the reason that I'm sharing this with you is more, there's no right or wrong. It's what's right for you now. If we talk in 6 months, things might change. You might say, "Well, no, I want to add different things to this." So with that in mind, what do you think, other than you spending more time to get comfortable with your craft, your skill set, what do you think roughly would that take you, looking now at the last 2 days of practicing? What do you think?
Like, how long would it take me to
Yeah,
get
to
to
get
where I want to be?
Mhm.
Or
No, just to get comfortable and stuff. Because at first you might need to offer, it can be 2-3 times the service for free, just for you to have a real person. Because I don't think it's fair. I shouldn't say fair. There were some students that they left from here. They started practicing on a mannequin, and in like 2-3 weeks, they already had clients. It's not a matter of you can get clients tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Do you feel confident in offering the service that and pretty much, in other words, confident in your own skill set to just do it? Do you think we're talking about a month, 2-3 weeks, 3-4 months of you practicing? What do you think, roughly?
I would probably need I would say like a month or two to get more comfortable.
Month or two. How many times a week? How many hours a week would that be?
I would probably dedicate like 4 hours a day to get
4 hours a day?
Yeah.
It's 4 hours a day. You know,
I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
people, I'm kind of like hard on myself. So
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with that, right? If you're a perfectionist and you want to, she probably doesn't realize that she's the same. Like
I told her, and I had no patience when I started, and now after that I started to love. Like, it makes me so calm, relaxed.
Right.
And it's the reason that I said she's the same. The reason that she, quote unquote, had to quit the cleaning companies, there were employees involved, and then when you have employees, it's a whole different game, because now it's not just you training the employees to your standards, it's also the market standards that a lot of times these two do not connect.
Right.
In what way? Maybe because all the reviews were 5 stars, but the employees were driving her crazy. And I was looking and trying to observe, because I'm a total different person. Like, I can deal with, we hire, like my first company, it's a moving and storage business here in Medford. Every year we bring people from overseas, 25 to 30 people, sponsored to get their work visa and whatnot. So for me, it's fun to have meetings in front of them and having to deal with chaos and all that.
If you got a passion for lashes, let me see it. It's time to level up. If you need me to, I'll teach you my 6-figure secret. Better believe it, cause I believe in you. You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch CoSme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.